I'm Raji. Udgam School for Children is one of the most reputed schools of the city and is running 11th and 12th grade science and commerce stream since last 2 decades. Today we have with us Mr. Manan Choksi, the Executive Director of Udgam School, to discuss on the launch of entrepreneurship as a subject for commerce stream. Hi Manan.
Hi.
I wanted to ask you, first of all, what are the career options for a student who has passed out 10th grade and 12th grade from Udgam School?
As we know, in science stream, they have options like engineering, doctors, architecture, and host of other career options. In commerce stream, also there are a lot of career options. It includes MBA. You can do a lawyer's degree, LLB, LLM, and also you can become a chartered accountant. I am a chartered accountant. There are other options like they pursue diploma and certificate courses along with their graduation studies like BCom, and they specialize on certain fields which they are interested in. So there are a lot of options for today's 12th pass out from an average school or from Udgam school.
From this year, you have introduced entrepreneurship as a subject for the commerce stream for 11th and 12th graders. What actually made you think about this and add entrepreneurship as a subject?
Uh, this thought came about 6 months ago when we did one workshop on entrepreneurship for the 11th commerce students, and the response was phenomenal. They took very active participation in it, and it was a very good learning for their application of their knowledge. Apart from that, we have seen that Gujaratis overall are very be positive, what they call business positive people, and they say that business runs in the blood of Gujarati. So we have thought about that those aspects, as we are situated in Ahmedabad and most of our students are Gujaratis. Running an entrepreneurship subject would match their inner feelings. Apart from that, I am an entrepreneur. I have done more. I have as currently run more than one business, and I strongly feel that in any developed economy, entrepreneurship is the future. So we have started this subject.
How do you think learning from the base standards on entrepreneurship for commerce students, how do you think it will be helpful for them?
Anything, the sooner you learn, you can develop, you get more developed in it. So we thought that how early we can teach entrepreneurship, and fortunately CBSE has entrepreneurship as a subject in 11th standard, so we started with that. First of all, it's easier subject compared to the option subjects like maths and computer, and it's easier as in to study, and the question papers are easier. What more important thing is that students can relate their theoretical concepts to practical world. So if a science 11th standard science student learns physics law, and he can experiment those in the physics laboratory, but where does the commerce graduate experiment? He has to wait even after he graduates till he gets into the real business world to experiment a simple fundamental of demand and supply. So that's where the subjects help. They can actually relate to the practical world, and that's why the overall knowledge of all subjects of commerce field like accounts, economics increases because of an practical subject like entrepreneurship. More importantly is a lot of students are of independent mindset. They come from reasonably well-to-do families, and they want to set up an independent business of their own. That is one another reason why we thought that we should teach them entrepreneurship.
That's correct, actually. What kind of students are you looking for in the current batch of 11th standard?
We are looking for students who are serious, who are hardworking. Of course, those kind of students would get good grades in 10th. So getting a good grade, good percentage in 10th is one of the criteria. But apart from that, who have a mindset of studying and building a professional career and not based on where the student gets into a quota or student gets a special privilege, but on hard work and intelligence. The student who wants to come ahead, we are looking for such kind of students.
You are one of the most successful entrepreneurs and you're running diversified businesses. Any advice that you would like to give to the 10th graders who just passed and who are going to actually step into the 11th grade?
Thank you for the compliments, and yeah, I would have a few words of advice. These people are at a very pivotal age in their life. Slightest of a wrong decision may spoil their career. I have seen a lot of my friends when I was in 10th grade. I have seen a lot of students as of now as a school administrator that they choose the school, they choose a career based on what their friends are doing. My best friend is taking MBA, so I want to do MBA. I ask sometimes, what is an MBA? They don't know. So, but they're doing because the friend does. So, effectively, probably his friend is pretty much aware and he knows what he's doing, but they don't know. So, I suggest that you should choose your own career and choose a good school, because a bad company or a bad school will permanently damage your career. So, I would strongly recommend that these are important years in your life and you should take careful decisions.
Thank you very much, Manan, for your golden words and advice. What I would say today is to all of you watching us here, if you are interested in becoming a successful professional and if you are committed to produce an incredible career for yourself, it is the right time to take your most important decision with appropriate guidance to attain the life and business of your dreams. Thank you very much and good luck for your career.